Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set a stop loss or take profit on eToro so you can manage your trades more effectively. First, open the eToro app and head over to your portfolio. Here, you'll see all of your open positions. Tap on the specific trade you want to manage, and this will bring up the Edit Trade window. Now, look for the stop loss or take profit options. If you don't already have one set, you'll see the option to add a stop loss or take profit. Just tap on Set SL or Set TOP. If you already have one in place, you'll see the current setting, and you can simply click it to edit. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to set it. You can either set it by amount, which is the dollar value of profit or loss you want to target, or by rate, which is the specific price point where the order should trigger. Enter your chosen figure, double-check everything, and then tap Update. To save your new stop loss or take profit, and that's it. You've just set up automatic risk management on your trade. This way, you don't have to constantly monitor the markets. Your stop loss and take profit will handle it for you. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more eToro tips, and let me know in the comments if you already use stop loss or take profit in your trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.